In this video, I'm going to show you how to create isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Start by enabling isometric drafting mode from the status bar, or type isodraft in the command line and press enter. Next, choose the desired isoplane, left, right, or top depending on the face of the object you want to draw. Once activated, the cursor and grid will adjust to match the isometric orientation. Use standard drawing commands such as line, offset, and trim to create your isometric geometry. Press F5 or Ctrl+E to quickly switch between isoplanes while drawing. This makes it easier to create objects that appear three-dimensional without using AutoCAD's 3D tools. Isometric drawings are commonly used for technical illustrations, piping layouts, and mechanical components. With practice, you'll be able to create clear and professional-looking isometric views quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.